Hello, and welcome to this short but powerful back opening practice. This will increase your spinal flexibility, so grab your mat and let's get started. Let's begin with grounding first. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale, release any tension. With each inhale, invite space into the spine, and with each exhale, release any tension you might be holding. Let's go onto all fours. From all fours, walk your hands forward and melt your chest towards the floor. Keep your hips above your knees. This is puppy pose. It's great for opening the upper back, shoulders, and chest. If it feels good to rest your forehead or chin on the mat, please do so. Make sure to breathe into the shoulder blades. Slowly rise and repeat 2 more times. Let's lie on our belly, reaching our right hand back to grab our right foot or ankle for half bow. Gently lift the chest and foot off the mat and breathe into your front body. Release slowly and then switch sides. While laying on your back, you're going to bend your knees and begin dropping your legs from side to side like windshield wipers. This resets the spine and massages the lower back. Come to sitting crisscrossed. Place your right hand on your left knee and your left hand behind you like a kickstand. Keep the shoulders soft and feel the spiral through your spine. Release and twist to the other side, bringing your left hand to your right knee, right hand behind you. This is a soft rinse for your spine. Your back holds you every day, so thank it often with these simple movements. That brings our session to an end. If you've enjoyed this flow, please like and share with someone in need. Namaste.